What's up, my Mason Pot Infusion enthusiast? We ain't new to this. Today we are infusing this half cup of whole milk with 2.5 grams of this nice pineapple shake. The first thing we need to do is activate this flower. So we're gonna put it inside the Mason Pot jar. Simply screw the lid right on here. And we're gonna go ahead and decarb it 240 degrees for 40 minutes. This turns that THCA into THC. We're simply gonna slide the probe piece of the thermometer in. When that 40 minutes is up, we're gonna take the jar out with the decarb flower, let it cool down, let those vapors settle back in. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our half cup of whole milk, and we're gonna infuse doing the double broiler method right on the stovetop here. Come post up, we're gonna get some infused milk. You can also do cream, creamer, you can infuse. It just needs to have that fat source because cannabis is fat soluble. Let's hop on in, my friend. It is done decarbing. We're just simply gonna use our Mason Pot microfiber cloth like a hot mitt, take it out. Let's let it chill for a little bit. There's some vapors in there. We'll let them settle in. If you crack it right away, you'll lose some of those vapors and potential potency. Let that chill. We're gonna add this little half cup of milk. Then we're gonna do the double broiler method. All right, so we're just simply gonna put it on about medium low here. We have the pot filled about halfway with water. We've let the decarbed cannabis chill out. Let's pop the lid here. Has a different color. Don't know if you can see from there, but it should have a little more brown hue after the activation, decarboxylation process. We're gonna add this milk in here. This is a half cup. Put it right on top. We're gonna screw this lid back on and we're gonna put it in here like a double broiler style. You could do the same thing with a glass Pyrex bowl in there. The beauty of this is we're gonna get the exact temperature through the thermometer and it still acts as that, and it's easier to spin around because we're gonna kind of mix it frequently because we don't want that milk to kind of curdle. But we'll just put it in here. Again, milk is a little more fickle than oil or butter. And we're gonna go ahead and start that. We're gonna do it you can do as little as 45 minutes to an hour. Today, I think we're gonna do 2 hours, just kind of low and slow, really let this milk infuse. Put it in our coffee, put it in a milkshake, or just chug this shit and get stoned. We've allowed the milk to cool down at least until like 105 degrees Fahrenheit here. You can take out the probe too. And also if there's pressure building up, always feel free to pull out the probe and release it. We'll unscrew the jar here. Take this Mason Pot fine strainer right on top. We're gonna take the Mason Pot puck and simply just drop it right in there. Move that to the side so you can see a little better. And this is gonna press out every little bit, and we're gonna have our infused cannabis milk to be used in coffee, protein shakes, your favorite drinks, whatever you're feeling. That's what I'm most excited for, is the coffee and protein. And then we're gonna squeeze down here again. Again, the milk works because it is fat soluble. Cannabis binds to the fat molecules, and you could use cream or some other creamers that you might want to infuse. I have a friend that loves doing Starbucks. I'm not a big Starbucks person, but they love infusing the Starbucks stuff with the Mason Pot. Not my thing, but they seem to love it. I'm more of a milk guy, little sugar in my coffee. And there we have it, my friends. Cannabis infused milk. Life is great. Thank you for posting up with the Mason Pot fam. I'll catch you guys on the next video. And if you're curious, oh man, I want to get one of those Mason Pot kits, use code MasonPot10, get 10% off. 99 bucks for the kit, but I highly recommend, getting the OG bundle. I'll see you guys later.